5 Best Hair Dryers. Here is the product number 5. GUOWEI GW555 Electric Hair Dryer. Features: folding handle design is convenient to store. Strong wind, low noise and fine heat dissipation. Mini shape is convenient for travel and storage. Portability, foldable handle. Function: hot, cold air. Max power, 1500 watts. Number of gears, 2. Nozzle type, collecting nozzle. Here is the product number 4. 1500 watts mini size foldable hair blower. Brand name Icoco. Item type hair dryer. Heating element ceramic. Used travel. Number of gears: 3. Power source electric. Plug standard Euro. Material ABS air blower. Feature 1 to 3 temperature settings, 2 speed settings. Feature: foldable handle, removable mesh filter for easy cleaning. Here is the product number 3. HTG 2300 watts powerful professional hair dryer. 2300 watts, 110 volts is 1850 watts for a more powerful blow dry. Professional AC motor for over 1500 hours continuous use. Lonic generator inside. Ultra lightweight. Revolutionary silence fan system with super low noise. 9 speed and heat settings. Here is the product number 2. Professional 4000 watts super power hair dryer. Feature: 4000 watts super power, rapid dry hair, doubly care. 3 temperature settings and 2 wind speeds. You can easily adjust the speed and temperature to create personalized styling accurately. Cold shot button sets the style. With blue light beam and perfume, professional and high grade. 360-degree rotating power cord. Here is the product number 1. Travel household hair dryer professional. Feature: 4000 watts super power, rapid dry hair, doubly care. Cold shot button sets the style. With blue light beam and perfume, professional and high grade. 360-degree rotating power cord. Specification: material, plastic. Cable length, 2 meters. Color red/purple. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.